Hi everybody, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and today I am going to be showing you how to turn something as funkadory as this into, I need to get the right colour otherwise you're going to think I'm a loon, you're going to need a magnifying glass, folks, something like this. Can you see it? It's a dinky, trust me, a terribly dinky little button. It is a button. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these because I think they're pretty fun. And also, if you hole punch them, you can put them in your journal and sew into the holes. They're pretty cool. And you can make a rainbow. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be making a rainbow of buttons. So come and have a look, see what you think, and see if you could use them maybe on your cards or something, just to add another dimension. Okay, so here we've got the tools of the trade: Sizzix shrink plastic, mini button stamp from Lavinia Stamps, and some archival ink. And I have just shown you that I have taken a piece of that Sizzix shrink plastic and I've cut it. And I'm saying, don't use the shiny side, you want the dull white side. Okay, I've popped my mini stamp onto an acrylic board and I'm going to ink it up and get stamping. Now, everything that I'm using today you can find either in Lavinia Stamps shop or on the website. Okay, so here we go. Might have speeded this up a little bit. It appears I'm going quite speedy, so bear with as I quickly stamp all these buttons. All these. Wow, where did that come from? Ta-da! Fabulous. Ooh, round up some Posca pen colours. Here we go. Time to colour. So obviously I'm going to try and do as many bright colours as I possibly can. So I can see aqua green, yellow, orange, red, I think there's apple green there. And that's pink. But what pink are you? Let me just double check. It's just pink. And sky blues making an appearance too. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing the Posca pen down so that I get a little reservoir of ink that I can use to paint with. Now I am going to dip my paintbrush into some water and then lift the paint. Now obviously I'm doing 3 of each colour. You don't actually have to be too fussy about how you paint these. I would do just get the colour on, because as it dries then the stamp comes through. Now wait for them to dry. 'Tis true, you must wait for them to dry. And I'm going to start cutting them out now. And I think you'll find that I will speed this up too, because you don't need to see me do cutting, do you? Really? Well, obviously you do. Doesn't that look pretty just by itself? Oh, bye-bye. Love it. Okay. So I'm going to cut them up into individual little bits now. Just makes it easier for cutting out. If you have too big a bit of shrink plastic, as you're cutting it out, it can catch and tear the plastic. So you're better off cutting as close as you can to the bit that you're going to be using. And if you want to hole punch, here's how you do it. I'd recommend, you can see I've already done one with 4 holes in. That was a bit tricksy, so I'd recommend doing just 2 on the diagonal. So line them up with the hole that's there, the dot that's there from the stamp, and just put your hole punch over and punch. Aha! It's shrinky time. Happy shrinking. Hold on to these because they fly. Believe me, they fly. I just love this. It's like being a magician. You just have to hold it down and watch it go. It does go. Trust me, it does go. Just be patient. Aha, here we go. Look at that. Magic. And soon we will have a button rainbow. Yay! Or even, ooh, a button smile. But just think of what you can do on cards with those. Fabulous. It's incredibly difficult for me to say, way, hey, well done, look what we made with these tiny, weeny little buttons that we've created. So you're just going to have to go with it that we've made them. And I'm not juggling a whole load of tiny, tiny buttons. But we have made them, and you can do so much with them. You can use them in your journaling, pop them on your cards, sew them on your cards, even if you've hole punched them. Or what else could you do with them, Emma? What else could you do? Oh yeah, you could turn them into earrings or brooches or something funkadelic like that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching again, people. It's been great. I hope you've had fun. I hope it's something that you can use. And as usual, pop any comments you have in the post below, and pictures too. That would be fun. You take care and have fun.